Today I want to share with you another tip of how to eat healthy in a way that your body says, hey, we're going to feel good after this meal, but not only that, we're going to help her burn some extra fat at the same time. Today's tip is about what to eat first and what to eat together. I know there are lots of rules out there, but I just want you to hear me on this. The first thing is, with the start of every meal, start your meal with 2 bites of protein. So even if you're having a salad and there's some chicken on the salad or some cheese on the salad, start your meal with 2 bites of protein before you move into other food categories on your plate. Never start with a sweet, and don't start with bread. I know we eat a lot of bread in restaurants, but that sugar spike can really cause trouble with us understanding how much we should eat, because it can cause confusion in our brain to know if we're full or not, because the sugar is still spiking. So start your meal with protein first, 2 bites of protein. And then make sure every meal, even if it's a snack, but if it's on your meal times, which you should have 3 meals a day, make sure you have a protein and a carbohydrate together. So what that does is, when you have a protein and a carbohydrate, you create a fire burning in your body. Now, I'm not talking indigestion or anything like that. This is a good fire. This is a fire that burns fat. Now you listening? Yes. Now, but let me say, the carbohydrates I'm talking about are not those processed carbs, those simple carbs that just break down and become sugar. I'm talking about your complex carbs, the kind that are raw fruits and vegetables, those kinds of carbs. And yes, it can be a bread as long as you have protein with it. So carbohydrates and proteins, they start a fire that burns in your body, and this is a fire which fat can be favorably burned. I'm just reading this from my notes here. So we need to eat correct amounts of proteins and carbs. Then our body will say, hey, we feel amazing. We don't need to hang on to all that extra fat anymore. We can just live our life and do well. All right, so that's your tip for today. Give it a try for 30 days. See what you think about it. Give it an honest try, not that I just want to pass on a curve try. Give it the try that, hey, I want to ace this. So start your meal, 2 bites of protein, eat 3 meals a day, and then always have a carbohydrate with your protein, which would be your fruits and vegetables. And you could do whole grains too, and you know healthy whole grains. So this is Annette Reeder. Give that a try for 30 days. Leave us a comment. How did it go for you? If you have any troubles and you want to work with a health coach, give our office a call. We have several on our team that would be happy to work with you. We work with people who want results. So if that's not you, don't pretend, because that's the people we like to work with. Annette Reeder, the Biblical Nutritionist. I'm on mission to keep you on mission and keep you strong and growing in the Lord. Thank you for joining us. Until next time.